Attributes of Learning Pay 3 for Odisha.ed and Education Honours. Meaning and attributes of learning. What is learning? Learning is not just remembering information. It is a process where a person understands new ideas, connects them to what they already know, applies them in real life. In schools, true learning happens when students are involved, ask questions, think deeply, work with others, and relate lessons to their own life. These are called attributes of learning. Main attributes of learning. 1. Active or manipulative learning. Learning is not passive, students must do something to learn, like touching, moving, writing, or experimenting. Example: instead of just reading about magnets, students use magnets in class to see which objects attract. This is active learning. Indian classroom tip: use clay models, science kits, and local materials to help children touch and explore. 2. Constructive learning. Learners build new knowledge on top of what they already know. They construct meaning from their experiences and understanding. Example: a student learns subtraction better after understanding addition. Indian tip: use examples from local life, like buying vegetables to explain addition and subtraction. 3. Reflective learning. Learners think about what they learned, and how they can improve. It helps in deep understanding. Example: after a group project, students discuss what went well and what didn't. Classroom strategy: after each activity, ask, "What did we learn?" or "How can we do it better next time?" 4. Intentional learning. Good learning happens when students have a goal or purpose. They know why they are learning and stay focused. Example: a child learns English because she wants to speak confidently in public. Indian view: teachers should tell students how each topic connects to real life or jobs in the future. 5. Complex learning. Learning is not always simple. It involves many skills together, like thinking, solving, reading, and teamwork. Example: writing an essay requires grammar, ideas, and structure, a complex task. Tip for teachers: break big tasks into steps and guide students patiently. 6. Contextual learning. Learning should be connected to real life and the student's environment. Example: teaching measurement by asking students to measure the length of their classroom. Indian context: use festivals, local occupations like farming, weaving, and daily life as teaching examples. 7. Collaborative learning. Students learn better when they work together, share ideas, and help each other. Example: in a group science project, one student draws, one writes, one presents. Benefit: builds cooperation, respect, and social skills. Indian tip: use group discussions, pair work, and classroom projects to promote collaboration. 8. Conversational learning. Learning improves when students talk and discuss ideas with others, with friends, teachers, or parents. Example: after a history lesson, students discuss their opinions about a leader. Teacher's role: encourage questions, class debates, and peer discussions. Conclusion: true learning is not memorizing. It happens when learners are active, doing, constructive, thinking, reflective, reviewing, intentional, goal-oriented, complex, using many skills, contextual, real life, collaborative, with others, conversational, through talk. In the Indian education system, we must focus more on these qualities instead of just exam marks. A good teacher should create opportunities for active and meaningful learning using local resources, languages, and examples that children can relate to.